Hello everybody, how are we doing? It's been a while since our last stream. Will be a while since for the next stream as well. But yeah, I managed to find some time, so why not? As you know, I'm gone because I'm doing my time in the army. So yeah, the next stream will probably be who knows when. And I was back with some more Hollow Knight Silksong because it was too much of a pain in the ass to set up my Switch. Otherwise, I could be playing Dark Souls. Unfortunately, guys, it will be kind of short stream because I gotta go somewhere later. And is it my there or is the camera about to fall off? I don't have any technical issue though. I don't trust my hardware. Let me check just for a second, because since really I don't trust my hardware. Nope, it works fine. It works just fine, unfortunately. I was hoping for a technical issue early on. If it happens later on, I won't bother. Alright. I don't remember what the fuck I was doing. It's been a month, man. Yeah, it kinda sucks when you haven't played the game in a month and you come back to it and you don't remember what the fuck you were doing. I don't even remember the controls. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. That's gonna be a problem. I don't even remember the controls, man. Let alone where to go. Sorry guys, I was doing something. No, the camera is fine. Oh, share some of your little clackies with us. No. Why should I? You fucking peasant. Shit. That's how much I got. I'm the real peasant. Wait, again. How about you give me some? Cause I'm poor as fuck, man. My pocket's a little empty. How about you give me money? Do you gain anything out of giving him money though? Or is there a sneaky secret? Yeah, the thing is, I don't remember how much of pain in the ass it is to get those. Pretty sure it's a pain in the ass. Let's follow them up. When I said I don't remember the controls, I was not joking. Also, I picked the wrong color for the stream. I did kind of forget that when I'm wearing black, I look like a floating head. But it is what it is. Kinda too late for that. Man, I'm poor right now. How do we get money? Like literally. Look at it. 0 rosaries. I'm poor, man. How do we get money? I need to grind for money, man. Give me money, man. What do you expect me to do with the rocks? Oh, really now? What the fuck do I do with the rocks? I don't remember. Why the fuck is my attack that weak? What? Wait, why did you use it? Wait, why did you waste all of it? Let me check this. Let me check because I don't remember how anything works. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. You can probably do something with that. Shit. No! Fuck. Oh, that's where my money was. And if I go to that guy, right, and give him like 10. And we're back. Buenos dias, Zeke. How you doing, man? Don't speak Spanish, by the way. Wait, are you the guy with the Metal Gear Peace Walker icon? Let me check. I think I remember you. What is it? Was your channel? Psst. It is you. How you doing, Zeke? How you doing, man? I love your icon, by the way, man. Man, I haven't played Peace Walker in quite a while. But that MSF icon I will never forget. That and the Diamond Dogs icon from NGS5. Let me give him money, see what I get. Oh, in the griddle's pockets they go, and for you secret room I was by. Beneath here and farther on, the burly bellheads have a big hot gleaming hive, full of sorts of tasty schnitzables. But there's this big cage that got down its belly. Shut tight, locked up. You could wriggle through, you'd get your clothes and all kind of goodies. Aha. Yeah, fuck it, I'm not paying you anything else, man. The information they give, I won't even remember in a couple of minutes. Therefore, I wasted my money. I probably should have done that. Yeah, I probably should not have done that. Very nice. The gameplay is not nice. It's awful. It's atrocious, I'd say. I'm failing basic jumps, man. So Zeke, by the way, since you're a Metal Gear Solid fan, did you play the remake? Metal Gear Solid Delta? It was pretty good, if you ask me. I played it. I'm not done with the platinum yet, though. But for a remake, it wasn't bad. Right, when I heal, I can move. That should be something I should keep in mind. Fuck off. No. No, I don't have money. Neither do I. That's why I played it off my brother. Think smart. Think smart, man. There are ways to play a game without paying for it. What is it? Give me like a moment. Open there. Yeah, authorize. Yeah, like I was saying, there are ways to play a game without paying for it. Just kinda hard to explain. But if you're on PC, there are ways. Shit, I'm getting my ass rocked. Oh shit. Shit. Nice. They are always the originals, to be honest. I mean, they didn't change anything, like, they just made the game easier to play. And yeah, easier to play, the graphics just have a higher fidelity. They didn't change anything else, as far as I'm aware. The only thing I'd say is that now you can play the monkey game. Although you still have, now that I think about it, you still... No, you can play it on the monkey game on a newer gen, like, cause otherwise you have to play the original PS2 game. But it's still only available on PlayStation. If you're on PC or Xbox, I think it has a different minigame. The fuck? Don't know where I'm even going. Wait, what the fuck? The fuck? And I can heal. That's nice. Don't touch me. Mother, I died. What? I think this game is harder from the first game. Yeah, I think this game is harder. It might be a tiny bit harder. Who knows? Just a tiny bit, not much. Maybe a bit a lot. Maybe it's a lot harder actually. Maybe it's a lot harder. A tiny bit. Quite a bit. Quite a bit, I'd say. Man, I have to walk all the way back now. I have to walk all the way back over there where I died. Yeah, I don't think I should bother with the enemies around here, because you don't drop money. Therefore, fuck it. They're a waste of time. It's not worth the trouble. Since you don't give money, you only are an obstacle. A dangerous one as well. No, fuck that. No, fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck off. Yep. This game might be... The game might be a bit harder. A tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Now even normal enemies pose quite a bit of a problem. Yes, it. do we do now? You don't even walk fast, man. I'm starting to believe Dark Souls might be easier than this. There is a pause button, never mind. Dark Souls doesn't have a pause button, never mind. Bruh. Are you serious now? Yep. Oh, fuck off. Yep. That was close. Don't mind me. Gonna... Hey! Who's gonna just farm some mana back? And now I'm getting out of here. Motherfucker! Yeah, it's not going great. Oh, wait. You get a free refill? Yeah, I think you get a free refill because I'm pretty sure I didn't have any mana on me before. Mana. What do you call it in this game? Silk. Pretty sure I didn't have any silk on me. Wait. No. I'm a fucking genius. Fucking trap, I swear to God. Bruh. How can this game be this much harder than the first game? The difference in the difficulty is noticeable. Quite a bit. This definitely can be Golden Souls like. Yeah, definitely. Even the normal enemies are a pain in the ass. And I need the dash ability. Someone just skip through enemies. Cause they're a pain in the ass. Nope. Fuck that. I ain't wasting time, man. No! You but. When did I lose 2 hearts? Wait! Oh, come... Motherfucker, stop touching me! No... No... GG. No! I suck at this game, man. I was going to retreat back so I can heal. The enemy, as you saw, didn't even register that I was there. Could he feel there? Makes you wonder. Is the game the problem with its difficulty? Or is it my brain? I guess we'll never find out. My stupidity surprises me even. There are times that even my stupidity surprises me, man. Yep. Let me check something. Yeah, and just remember, I have an issue with my mic, huh? Yep, I do. Uh-huh. Yeah, I kinda do. I don't remember why though. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I specifically remember there was an issue. But I don't have time to fix it. It is what it is. That's what happens when you update software. It may stop working as you were used to. It's quite literally a thing of time. No. It's quite literally why people don't update a lot of software. For example, why people won't switch to Windows 11. Same reason I don't wanna do that. And why the fuck do I keep making the same mistake? Get the fuck out of my face. No. Nothing there. Don't mind me, I'm just passing through. What's that? Oh, nice. Fuck. Hey! I have fallen for the same trap 3 fucking times in a row. Any path I take to avoid it, I still end up pressing it and activating it. How can I make such a mistake? Every time, man. I'm starting starting to think maybe the problem is me. But instead I'm gonna blame the level designer. Yeah, I will go with that. It sounds appropriate to me to do. Yep, I will do that. Definitely a not me issue. Nope. No, no, no. Man, if I failed that, Jesus, then I'm deleting the game. If I failed that simple jump. Oh! Wait, I never had an issue with that jump. Motherfucker! How many ticks do you need? How many hits? Shit, where's my thing now? Don't mind me, I'm just gonna pass through. Motherfucker! I wasn't watching the monitor. Where's my seat? There's my seat. Oh shit. How do you even get up there? Can you even get... Fuck it. Holy shit. I made it after half an hour I made it. I don't like where this is going. No, I really don't like where this is going. This looks like a boss area. Oh no. It's an arena. Fuck no. No. Right. Shit. Let me heal. What? Nice. Wait, you fight? You fight alongside an NPC? Damn. Damn, that's too many stuff on screen. It gets me a bit confused, man. That was close. This kind of reminds me of Darksiders 1. Is there a kill count? Do I get the reward for killing most enemies? Nope, I don't think so. I will get a reward for not dying though. That's progressing the game. No! What a motherfucker! That was close. I almost died. That was a battle well fought, child with a needle. Your master will be proud of you. The one who trained me long ago never called her master. Whether she will be proud of what has become of me, I cannot say. Whether she's dead or alive, have faith. Nothing her pupil does escape their master's sight. And you're gonna sell me stuff, that's great. Why not drop me as well? The enemies do that. Probably need that. But I need the map as well. Yeah, fuck it. Man, I need the bones. Like, badly. Shit. Wait, if I don't hit you manually, the normal attack, I don't get silk back. Good to know. Oh wait, I get silk back from this? Oh shit, nice. It. Oh, that's not good. I wish you told me earlier I can't reach that place. Before I tried to make that jump and lost unnecessary health. Oh shit. Ah, motherfucker, I thought that it only throws those at an angle. Well, it seems that's not the case. But I wish I had that knowledge earlier. Yep, would have been useful when I was about to die. Now I have to walk all the way back there. Again. Shit, my luck. Intricate tracking device can... That's useless. That's so and so, I'd say, because like the chances of like what the fuck I was saying? I forgot. Anyways, whatever I was saying, anyways, these two kind of useless. Yeah, I was saying the chances of finding rosaries is like way too low. The compass that requires a map which I don't own. I mean, where the fuck am I? Never mind, I know where I am. Also, I do know that I'm poor as fuck. Which is more important information than where I am. I know, I may not know exactly where I am, but I know where I am on the social ladder. Literally at the bottom. Cause I'm out of rosaries. And I can't even afford a map. And that's why I'm also lost. It is what it is. It is what it is. Wait, get the fuck away. Mother... How can one person be that bad at the game? And how can that person be me? Why me? Yep. Nice try. I probably should not have wasted that actually. but kinda too late for that. Oh shit, I can farm silk from you, my guy. No, that's me. Out of one way. Hey, what the? Fucking bastard, what did you dust there? And you confused me. Fucking spikes, why did you have to be there? Like I said, I'm gonna blame every mistake I make on the level designer. Oh. Took me 4 tries. Took me 4 tries to remember that trap is there. Don't mind me. Don't mind me, I'm just passing through. Man, this game needs a dash button. Yep, yep. Right, we heal. Take those. Don't drop down. Motherfuck. Blame it on the controller, on the level designer. I'm not gonna blame me, that's for sure. You bet your ass I'm not gonna do that. But no. I'm gonna die just because I need to get my stuff back. That's great. Oh no. Motherfucker, why did you change your attack? Oh, shit. That's not the move he did the first time I saw him. Don't touch me, don't touch me. Quite. I was gonna say quite little nothing could do. Cause I wasn't watching at the screen, I was watching on my phone. But I have no excuse for the second trap. Cause I was literally watching at the monitor when that happened. I have no excuse. I'm pretty sure at this point it is indeed my stupidity. Or never mind, I'm gonna blame the level designer. Man, come on. You put an enemy close to a trap. The enemy is gonna distract. Let alone I didn't even see. The stepping stone. I don't remember how Minecraft calls it. Yeah, I didn't even see the thing that you step on that activates the trap. Did he fucking specifically put an object in front, in the foreground, and environment objects, so as to hide it. I think he did. I can go back and check right now, but I'm pretty sure he did. Man, they have specifically designed this game to be harder for no reason. Like the enemies, the combat, the platforming, and now even traps. Even the environment is against you. Damn, man. Damn. Yep. No, are you gonna follow me? Might as well take care of you right now. Thank you. By the way, I don't even remember. Never mind, I do remember where I died. Don't backstep. I was expecting to lose health at this point. How many? Yeah, fuck it. I don't remember how many hearts I get back. 3 or 4. But man, another fuck. Oh. Suck on these nuts. Oh no, no. Suck on these nuts. Come on, man, just let me farm some silk. Nice. Motherfucker, I thought the platform was right beneath her. Get the fuck out of my way. Don't you dare follow me. Haha. Show you this fine. Shit. Shit. Let me heal, let me heal. I was hoping to farm some more extra hits. Okay, so there are no objects in front of it. Yet how did I miss it last time? Although they did put 2 right next to each other. That's it. Mother. Yes, I'm not fucking old. I'm not fucking old if you wanna know. I was old enough to know what the dub is. Shit, am I old? It's been like a decade since then. Why the fuck do I bother, man? Like at Max Silk, why do I even bother? No, don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. So, I didn't check, is there like anything of value below or no? Cause I don't wanna go, oh. You know, before, a long time before I played this game, I watched a very specific clip of somebody playing the game where there was a bench which was a trap. This looks exactly like that place from that clip. And if you notice, there is literally something that looks like spikes above my head. And it fucking reacted to me. Yeah, fuck that. I'm not stupid. Where am I? Oh, sucklish! Haha! For bed. Motherfucker. I did it once. Why did I do it again? I was hoping it was gonna act as a bench. Nope. Even with knowledge beforehand. Yeah, I'm starting to believe that actually it's my stupidity that makes the game hard. Yeah. This kinda proved it. No. Stay the fuck away from me. Thought I saw something following me. That's probably wrong. That's my mind playing tricks. Can I hit that? Can I do something here? Why the fuck am I here? Why am I here? Hey! Goodness, this is just too embarrassing. Detected even through my perfect cover. What hell? What error? Surely some game away. No, I was just massing things. Yeah, pretty much that. Cause I thought it was too sad that the area was empty. I was literally attacking everything on sight. Sucks to be you. Sucks for you that I was the one who came through here. It was no one thing, young bug. Your disguise is near faultless. I've merely spent a long life being watchful. Gah. I just have to hope that beasts about don't share such skin sight. It'll be so much harder to accomplish my work if I'm detected or eaten. These are dangerous fields, young one, not for casual wandering. What task sees you brave them? A treacherous quest, but a crucial one. Upon the last wish of my father, I've taken up the study of this wild case. These fields will still display life and growth, even as the lands around erode dust. There is a hot harmony here that eludes the grey wastes above and the dry marrow beside. With time and study, I shall uncover why. So here, this old statue. I've been thinking long on it, what clues it might hold. The glowwork seems beyond the other structures throughout these caves. Who was she, I wonder, to deserve such refined remembrance? Hers is the form of a dancer, and the craft is indeed exquisite. There must once have been more to these ants, before the haunting snared their cells and minds. Conversing is a pleasure, but I must return to my observance. Try not to leave too much of a trail when you leave, please. I'm not promising anything. I'm not promising anything. That's how I found you after all. It is my expertise to hit whatever I see on sight. And that includes triggering traps as well, as you saw earlier. Thank you. No. I failed there. I wasn't supposed to get hit, but whatever. Yeah, I don't need those. Might be smarter just let them be, in case they're needed in the future. Oh shit. I don't have an ability to jump off of walls, right? Nope. Yeah, no. No such ability. Was there anything here of value? No, just the bench. Never mind. Oh shit. Maybe I should have watched that video of this bench. I should have watched the whole video of this bench. Yep. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure I recall reading that there are a lot of benches like this where they're booby trapped and you have to like disable the trap. So we should be careful of other benches as well and try to look for a lever. I might be wrong though. Might be only a couple of those, but pretty sure I remember reading that. So you never know. Bruh. Bruh. Bad player. Quite literally bad player. Quite literally. Now what's this? Motherfucker! What the... Why the fuck did you try to heal there? I'm looking over here because there's a mirror, no? Just in case you want to know. Why the fuck did you heal? As soon as I started healing, I knew where this was going. Because it's not the first time I make that mistake, motherfucker. Just wanna see. Wait, that is not. No, that's not where I came from. Good to know. Have I been through here? Oh shit! Nice. What's my reward? Nothing. Just like with life. You will go through a lot of troubles, surpass many obstacles, but the reward sometimes may be just nothing. You just get to proceed with your life. But this is a game, so you better fucking give me a reward. Hey, nice try. Oh shit, I forgot that explodes. No, I don't trust you. I will check the other side for any optional stuff, like collectibles. Shit, I don't like this path either. This path looks worse, actually. This definitely looks worse. Daughter of a distant land. We who remain have waited long. Bind our strength to yours, reclaim the future of our haunted kingdom. We get an upgrade. Swift step, nice. Hold R2, sprint at binding speeds beyond one another. Nice. It seems, after all, I was right. I did find the optional path. I made the right choice. CC Pookie Bear, CC. Ετοιμάσεις ή τι έκανες? Κάτσε λίγο. Έχεις πολύ ανεβασμένη. Ναι, κάποια στιγμή μου έκανε ενημέρωση στο γαμίδι. Την άλλη φορά που είχα έρθει νομίζω. Και μου χάλασε τον ήχο. Να αυτό να το έχεις στο νου σου κι εσύ. Γενικώς με τα προγράμματα. Όταν το χρειάζεσαι για δουλειά. Μια μέρα μπορεί να τα γαμίσει όλα. Είναι η λογική που μερικοί δεν αναβαθμίζουν τα Windows. Γενικώς οι επιχειρήσεις δεν κοιτάνε μισό μάτι τις ενημερώσεις. Το έχω ακούσει το τέτοια θέματα, αλλά δεν το περίμενα από αυτό το πρόγραμμα. Τώρα τι είναι μπούλος. Δεν έχω να το φτιάξω. Τη μείωσε λίγο την ένταση, αλλά να το φτιάξω θεωρητικά δεν έχω χρόνο. Κάτσε να κάνω, το ξεχάστηκα. Αυτό. Όταν γυρίσω τι να κάνω, ρε. Όταν γυρίσω το Πάσχα τώρα, γιατί δείχνει το restream bot. Καλά, δεν φτιάχνω. Όταν γυρίσω, τέτοιο πως το λένε. Τι έλεγα. Όταν γυρίσω το Πάσχα, με να πάω λογικά στο χωριό. Το άλλο. Που τι να κάτσω φτιάξω. Τώρα έχει ανεβασμένη την ένταση και από το παιχνίδι ή μόνο τη φωνή μου. Να ξέρω που ακριβώς είναι το πρόβλημα. Μόνο η φωνή μου, ωραία. Άρα κάποια μαλάκια κάνει το μικρόφωνο. Γιατί και εμένα η φωνή μου φάνηκε, απλά να είμαι και σίγουρος με το πρόβλημα. Τότε είναι. What the fuck was I doing? I don't remember. Ah, yeah, the run build. Nice. Add even more platforming to the game, why not? Quite literally the part that I had in the first game. What the fuck is that? Oh, the fuck, I thought that was an NPC. Motherfucker, I was taking a look at the fire there. Monies. You poor bastard, you only had 7 on you? That's why I don't like attacking peasants. There's nothing to rob of them. This might be like the only game that makes me feel better about my economic situation. Like, everyone here is poorer than me. Technically in game I'm poorer than them, because I only got 7 rosaries, but I also have these ones, but you know what I mean. Everyone here is on equal standing, none of us got money. That's what I mean. This game might be a little bit too realistic in that department. Bro, how can I make a jump? There is no... Wait, can I? Oh, I can just... me there, you don't say. What the fuck is that? Oh, that's like the green grabs from the first game. I'm gonna guess that you don't dust through enemies, do you? Huh? Yeah, no way. Is the game aware that I'm fucking poor? Bruh, I just stated just a moment ago that it's practically impossible to find money. I only got 7. Where the fuck am I gonna find the rest? Enemies don't even drop money here. Well, it better not be anything of value. Better not be anything important. And cement. That makes it kind of important. It is what it is. It is what it is. We'll just road dog it. If I die, I die. Oh, wait, never mind. No, my monies. We got money. Turn back. Somebody was stupid enough to leave money here. Anyways, we got money. I'm wasting it right away. Cause why not? There goes my money. Oh. Just so I can sit on a bench. Now I'm poor again. Back to reality. Τι ώρα έχει πάει? Πω. Shit. Shit my luck, guys. Time has passed. It's getting almost time for me to go get ready. Shit my luck. Yeah. Deep dogs. What? We need that. We definitely need that. Don't touch me. No, my money's the lava item. Brother, don't. Why is that an insta death? Since when do you have insta death? Out of curiosity, do those enemies like drop money indefinitely, or was that like a one-time thing? Oh shit, you can farm money. You can actually farm money out of these guys. You like... Can you like approach me? So I'm like at a safe spot. Fuck. Nice. Yeah, I was expecting that you would drop money. Easy to defeat enemies, don't drop anything. And I don't count the shards. I will not count the shards like at all, man. Let's be honest. It's not worth counting. Wait. Man, I've been through here. No joke, I've been through here. How the fuck did I manage that, like... The amount of stupidity required for stuff like that. Yet I still pull it off. This is like a skill that cannot be taught. Trust me, I know. Because I do this quite often. Yeah, I've been through here, yeah. Although these enemies didn't exist here, then you spawn more enemies. I don't remember defeating any boss. Yeah, I came through here, but what's the point? I'm gonna guess there was probably some area that required the dust ability so you can pull off a jump, right? I don't remember such an area. Therefore, what the fuck am I even doing here? Brother, don't touch me. Oh wait, there was yeah, there was Shit. There was an area that required you to do a long jump. It's not that far. What the fuck is this? Lucky me. Bruh, can you give me something more permanent? Yeah, I don't think I can make that jump. I will not even try it. I don't think that helps with vertical jumps. Can I even trust you on that? Yeah, that makes sense. I do have the money though. Might as well use it. We can lock the room though. I don't think it will. Nope. Actually, I'm pretty sure it won't unlock the room. Nope. That breaks. And nothing of value. Never mind. Yeah, like I said, I won't bother with enemies. I don't give anything of value. Shit. Wait, have I been through here? Wait, I think I've been through here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I've been through here. Wasn't there a bench somewhere over here? Probably. There probably was. I don't remember though. Shit. 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 Oh. Get the fuck away from me. Right, this is where the jump I was talking about is, but I'm failing the pre-jump. How stupid can I be, man? How stupid? How stupid can I be? How much? Oh, made it. I don't have items to attack you with now. Oh, shit. Yeah, and what exactly do we get out of that? Money, okay. I suppose that was the point. Quite likely, actually, because it's hard to get that kind of money. It's probably a farming area. Although I don't see any bench close by. Shit. Heal. Lucky me. Not lucky me. Those big guys are good for farming, it seems. I better not die. Motherfucker. I'm so fucked. Shit. No. I don't even trust me with normal enemies, man. No. Get the fuck out of here! Yeah, I'm not risking it. Straight up. Oh shit. You respawn? Nice. Yeah, like I said, I'm not risking it. Okay, that's on me. Brother, my own greediness is gonna get me. Motherfucker. Why the fuck did you go to my blind spots? I'm gonna die for no good reason. Like, no joke, I'm gonna die for no good reason. Why does every basic enemy respawn? Motherfucker, you and your fucking positions. I'm gonna farm him. I know he respawns, so might as well farm him. Might as well, man. Let's see. I don't get though why basic enemies respawn. That's not the thing that happened in the first one. Yeah, I guess it's good for farming silk, but like that also makes exploration even more dangerous. So that's I guess you could argue it's balanced, kind of. Although hope that's only for small enemies like that one. Otherwise, well, rip. I tend to go back to the bench that was around over here. I think it's below me. It should be below me if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, pretty sure that's where the bench is, right? There it is. Right, guys. I have to end the stream because I gotta get ready, get going. Unfortunately, I kinda have bad news. I did mention it at the start of the stream. I will be gone again for quite a bit, like months. Because like I said, I'm serving my army time. And the next time I get off, it's like in Easter, probably in April. God damn, that's like 4 months. Damn. It is what it is. I can't do anything about it. I won't have any access to personal computer, so I won't be able to stream. Hopefully, I will find a way to edit some clips and upload. That was the point of this stream after all, get some clips so I can edit at an Eden Cafe or something like that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. In case you like the stream, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow whatever platform you're watching on. We'll leave a link to our Discord server in the chat if the bots work, which don't seem like they do. They seem to deactivate if you don't stream for quite some time. Yep, I can see here. Yeah, it's off. Not helping much. And there's the link, right? Alright guys, so I gotta go. See you in the next stream. In like 4 months. Or no, Discord server. Besides that, I will try to upload some clips. Hopefully I'll get some time to do that. But yeah, that's it from me guys. See you next time. Also thanks for watching, forgot to mention that. Anyway, see you next time.